The STRATA HEAT electric radiant floor heating system combines the next-generation floor heat mat with the highest-performing wire, innovative thermostats, and the industry's first thermally conductive thin-set additive to form the most efficient and highest-quality floor heating installation available. With multiple wire spacing options, the STRATA HEAT system allows you to adjust the spacing to add quality and comfort to your home and tile installation. The ETFE jacketed STRATA HEAT Wire's heavy-duty construction provides strength and flexibility for the most demanding installations. UL approved, proven, and tested, it provides exceptional performance and durability. With no minimum on a straight run length, you can enjoy the design freedom to make wire runs as you need for the installation. Once STRATA HEAT mat has been installed, the wire installation can begin immediately. The installation of electrical systems presents risk of fire and electrical shock, which can result in personal injury. All electrical connections should be carried out by a qualified electrician in accordance with the National Electrical Code and all local codes. For installations in Canada, refer to the relevant sections in the CEC. The STRATA HEAT Wire allows for multiple spacing options depending on your floor heating requirements. You can choose the best spacing that meets your requirements to create a comfortable, energy-efficient installation. Measure and record the resistance of the STRATA HEAT Wire in the Resistance Before column of the control card, supplied as part of the STRATA HEAT installation. Stop installation immediately and contact LATICRETE Technical Service if its resistance falls outside the range set out in the reference resistance band indicated in the installation guide. Place the cold tail on the floor. Cut a section in the STRATA HEAT mat for a manufactured joint so that it sits at the same height as the STRATA HEAT Wire. Secure the cold tail using tabs of electrical tape if necessary. Do not tape over the manufactured joint or heating cable. These must be fully embedded within the thin set that fill the STRATA HEAT mat depressions. Begin laying the STRATA HEAT Wire by pressing it between the castellations. The STRATA HEAT Wire has a marker at its midpoint. When this has been installed, review your progress. Check to ensure that you are correctly spacing the cable, making sure that you will have covered the entire heated area when you reach the end of the wire. At the end of the STRATA HEAT Wire, you will find a termination joint. As with the manufactured joint at the beginning of the heating wire, this joint will have to be cut into the mat so that it sits at the same height. Do not tape over the termination joint. It must be in direct contact and fully embedded within the tile adhesive. Install the floor sensor at least 6 inches into the heated area it will be controlling. It should be located centrally between parallel runs of heating wire and not in an area influenced by other heat sources. If the heating wire is installed at multiple spacings, then the sensor should be installed centrally between the narrowest parallel run. Measure the resistance of the floor sensor and record it on the control card in the installation guide. If the resistance is outside the prescribed range, contact LATICRETE Technical Service. Do not tape over the floor sensor tip. It must be in full contact with the heated tile adhesive. Measure the resistance of the heating cable and verify it is still in line with the resistance before reading previously recorded. Stop installation immediately and contact our helpline if the resistance has changed significantly or if it falls outside the range set out in the reference resistance band in the installation guide. The STRATA HEAT Wire is packaged in 15 convenient lengths at 120 or 240 volts, covering from 5 square feet to 250 square feet at 3-peg spacing. By combining this new and innovative STRATA HEAT Wire with the other STRATA Heat System products, LATICRETE offers the most efficient and highest quality electric radiant floor heating system available. Only LATICRETE offers a one-stop supply of electric radiant floor heating products, covered by the LATICRETE Lifetime Tile and Stone System Warranty, providing one source, one warranty for STRATA HEAT Mat, STRATA HEAT Wire, STRATA HEAT Thermostats, STRATA HEAT Thermal Pack, Thinset and Grout. The highest performance available from the most trusted name in tile and stone installation materials. Visit us at www.laticrete.com for more information.